We're making muffins! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaaramary, and here in Carousel, I do all things upcycle fashion and in low-waste sturdy. And in today's video, we're doing something very yummy, which is healthy antioxidant muffins. A secret ingredient, which is golden berries. Today's recipe, you could make some changes. Like, I am using 3 bananas. Suggest to keep it low waste and reuse your scraps to take the skin off from the banana and like stir it in your blender with some water after you boil it and chop it, and you can add that to your batter. But today we're just like working with what we have. So we're here in our Airbnb, and so let me just like tell you some of the ingredients as I start to add them our bowl. So I'm gonna start smashing the bananas. By the way, guys, I am not an expert baker. I am very experimental whenever I bake. I just like go with the flow and like make it work. Even like I have a recipe, I might taste it, try it, see if it needs a little more sugar or maybe add more almond milk. Which is make it work and have like almost like an intuition. That's how I bake and cook. Okay, then. Isn't this perfect that they have like measuring cups? So we went to Seatown and we couldn't find ripe bananas. So then we went to 7-Eleven and got these bananas, placed them here right behind me, added an onion, and that way it could like ripe faster. So if you didn't know that onions can help like the banana ripe faster. So now I have my wet ingredients. Okay, so I pretty much finished mixing like the dry and wet ingredients, and now the last part is adding the fruit and nut mix, and that's where basically the antioxidant comes along. And it's already in the bananas. Bananas are very dense in nutrition as well. But something that I want to point out, guys, because I always talk to you about like being plastic free, lowering your waste. And honestly, if you want to start this journey, start small. You're not gonna eliminate plastic right away and all of a sudden. As you can see, I love the oh, Vicky, you said no to pumpkin seeds?
Oh no, I like pumpkin seeds. No walnuts.
Like I was gonna say containers, but bags that I pretty much bought in a supermarket. That's like the reality. But as you can see, I'm thinking, oh, how can I like maybe reuse my shells, like eggshells? You can pick out the skin on the inside, wash it, put it in a blender, and use it as fertilizers for your plants. Banana skin, reuse and add it to your mix. So by even thinking about it or considering, it's a step forward instead of staying in the same spot and not moving forward. And it's looking so pretty. Cinnamon, like, have you seen those recipes where they're like 2 teaspoons of cinnamon? I'm just like this. The more cinnamon, the better.
You as a YouTuber?
Exactly. Like, you would think that 5 years on YouTube, I would know when the camera is on or off. I love baking for other people and sharing food. And so I thought it would be such a fun way of like recording for the channel and at the same time getting to bake for my friends. Just saying, like, being spontaneous. The oven was not preheating, but thanks to Vicky, it's on now. So then I can just add the batter here, and then once we feel the oven nice and warm, we can pop those muffins in, and they will take 25 minutes to bake. Definitely check on it. Woo! Do you know when you open the oven and you can just feel the heat? Yeah, I'm like already sweating. But basically, guys, I'm gonna pop the muffins in here. They're gonna bake for 25 minutes at 350. And don't forget, because I made this mistake, and even though I'm telling you, I know myself and I will most likely in the future make the mistake, and it's to set the timer on your phone. Take your phone right now, set the timer, so you can just forget about it and just hear your phone just ringing like. No, it doesn't look. It doesn't look. It does like a.
And so which one you?
So I'm gonna set it at 25 minutes. I'm gonna grab the camera to show you guys like the finished result and also to get everyone's feedback. Vicky, Justine, and Ali are gonna share with you guys what they think of the muffins. What do you guys think of the muffin?
It's good.
It's good?
It's very mushy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
like sweet.
It's sweet.
It's banana muffins, right?
Yeah.
It's like sweet. It's really good. Did it cook all the way through though?
It cooked. You know what I needed? More flour.
Okay. Because it's like super mushy. Yeah, in the middle.
This is how it came out. It doesn't show.
Like coconut flakes, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think it makes it sweeter.
The texture?
Mm-hmm.
Like flaky?
No, I mean like the coconut flakes make the entire like muffin sweeter.
Ah.
Yeah, I think that. Yeah.
Good to know.
You're still recording.
Oh.